Hi everyone, welcome back to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, the channel where we share with you the best ideas and tips on contemporary modern apartment decor and design. I'm Lulu, and in this video I'm going to show you some more amazing examples of how you can transform your living space into a stylish and comfortable oasis that reflects your personality and preferences. In the first part of this series, we explored some of the key elements of contemporary modern apartment design, such as minimalism, functionality, and natural materials. In this second part, we will look at some more aspects of how you can use color, textures, pattern, accessories, and personal touches to create different moods and impressions in your home, and how to mix and match different styles and elements to create contrast and diversity in your space. Whether you are looking for some inspiration, tips, or ideas on how to decorate your apartment, or you just want to enjoy some beautiful and creative designs, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and stay tuned for the third and final part of this series, where we will share some more practical and functional tips on how to make your contemporary modern apartment more livable and enjoyable. Let's get started. Let's start our presentation with this design idea. This contemporary modern apartment features a spacious and bright corner open space that connects the living room, dining room, and gourmet kitchen. The large windows and big balcony offer stunning views of the city and let in plenty of natural light. The large and glossy tiled flooring adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the space. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with sleek and modern appliances, cabinets, and countertops. The stylish living room has a cozy and inviting atmosphere, with a modern brown corner sofa, a blue armchair, and a coffee table. The bright dining room has a sleek and simple dining table and chair set. The decorations include plants, a wall-mounted mirror, modern paintings, and decorative pillows that add some color and personality to the space. The second design idea is a contemporary modern apartment which boasts a corner open space that offers a stunning view of the city through the huge floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides. The large balcony terrace is perfect for enjoying the fresh air and the scenery. The gorgeous hardwood floor throughout adds warmth and elegance to the space. The living dining area is spacious and bright with stylish furniture. Decorative accessories such as large potted plants, trays, ceramic objects, and decorative pillows add some color and personality to the space. This contemporary modern apartment is a dream come true for anyone who loves urban living and chic design. The contemporary modern apartment from the image has a more compact open space but similar in style and elegance to the previous one. It is a corner apartment with a large balcony that offers a nice view of the surroundings. The living dining area is elegant and cozy with a neutral color palette, light gray, brown and beige. The laminate flooring, beige drapes, large modern paintings and modern pendant lamps add some sophistication and charm to the space. This contemporary apartment is ideal for anyone who appreciates simplicity and comfort. The contemporary modern apartment from the image has a large open space that features a harmonious color combination of beige, taupe, and light gray. The open space is divided into two distinct areas, the kitchen dining area and the living area. The kitchen is spacious and elegant, with taupe color walls, taupe color cabinets, a kitchen island, and a white countertop. The dining area is cozy and simple, with a round-top dining table and 4 chairs. The living area is stylish and comfortable, with a white and comfortable gray sofa, a gray area rug, and a small oval coffee table. This contemporary modern apartment is a great example of how to create a beautiful and functional space with a neutral color palette. This contemporary modern apartment from the image has a unique trapezoidal layout that maximizes the use of space and light. The light color wooden floor, the glass wall, and the white kitchen create a sense of openness and brightness in the space. The kitchen is modern and sleek, with the kitchen island and a white countertop. The small dining area near the window is cozy and romantic, with a round table and 2 chairs. The living area is stylish and comfortable, with a soft pastel yellow sofa, a pastel green armchairs, and a small rectangular coffee table. The apartment also has a magnificent outside view that can be enjoyed from any angle. The last in our presentation is a contemporary modern apartment that has a light gray and white color palette that creates a sense of elegance and simplicity in the space. The living dining area is in the open space, while the kitchen is separated in another room. The parquet floor adds some warmth and textures to the space. The large windows with transparent drapes and gray curtains let in plenty of natural light and offer a nice view of the outside. The living room furniture is comfy and cozy. The dining area is simple and stylish, with a wooden dining table and 6 chairs. The pendant lamps over the coffee table and dining table add some charm and ambience to the space. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, the channel where we share with you the best ideas and tips on contemporary modern apartment decor and design. I'm Lulu, and I'll see you in the next video where we will share some more practical and functional tips on how to make your contemporary modern apartment more livable and enjoyable. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. We upload new videos every week, so don't miss out on our amazing content. Thank you again for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.